Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to add Search Console, Google Search Console into your Google Analytics. So go to your Analytics section and just visit Search Console links and just click on links. Here you can see this is the setup step by step create link with Search Console. So choose account. First of all, you have to select the account. That's mean this is Powerful Tutors, my property. So let's select this one and click on confirm. Okay, click on next and then select web streams. Select this web stream, click on next. Perfect. And this is the review and submit button, then click on submit. So it will automatically linked created and then it will verified. So go back to Search Console link and here you can see this is the date linked February 4th 2026, stream ID, web stream, Search Console property and also the Search Console property name. So this is how you can link up with your Google Search Console into your Google Analytics. So this is my Search Console guys right now. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, so give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment below and see you in the next video. Have a good day. Take care.